Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up on Binance on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Simply scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below the video. Then from here simply click on it and it will send you and direct you to another website for the official referral and open page. Once you go on here, simply fill in your email or your phone number, or you can use any of the services down below. Once you fill in your email, click on continue. Fill in whatever CAPTCHA that the app provides you. Once you do that, they're going to send you a verification code to your email address that you have just input, and this is allowed for the next 30 minutes to enter it right here. Once you enter the code, it's going to check it, and then from here it's going to accept it and tell you to create a password. Once you create a password, click on continue. Then from here it's going to tell you that you are welcome abroad, and then you're going to turn on notifications, then click on next. Then from here you're going to simply install the Android app if you haven't installed it yet, but if you already did, then you're going to simply click on it and it will redirect you to the application right here. And so from here you're going to click on I'm familiar with crypto, and then you're going to log in with the same information that you have just signed up with. Then you're going to enter the password that you have just input. And then once that is done, it's going to load you inside the application where you're going to start your verification process. So from here, the first verification is going to be towards your email just to make sure that you are safe and no one's hacking. And then once you enter the verification code, and it's going to log you into the application fully. Now from here, you can see all the features, but you're going to click on verify now on the top right, which is going to redirect you to this page where you're going to enter all your information such as your residence, nationality, given name, and then once you continue all the other information following it so you can trade and buy crypto. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.